Question number 6 says, circle the graph that shows the relationship between the number of hives and the amount of honey. This question uses the table from question number 5. When we look at the graphs that they give us, the first, second, and fourth graphs all have the lines or the points on the graph going in an upward direction like this. The third graph has the points going in a downward direction. We know that that cannot be true because that would be a negative slope. So the third graph is not the correct answer. Also, looking at where the values are placed on our graphs, we can see that the number of hives is going to be on the x-axis. We know that there was on the table 1, 2, and 3, and 4 hives. So graph number 4 cannot be the correct answer because it has 0 to 300 on graph number 4. So that narrows it down to either being graph number 1 and graph number 2. The only two difference between these two graphs is where the points are plotted. The first graph, if we look at it, is skip counting by 1 across the bottom and skip counting by 50s across the top, or across up and down. So if we look at the first dot, it would be at approximately 100 hives. Our first data point in our table is 1 and 51. So this cannot be the correct graph as either. So this one shows that the first dot is at 1 around 50 or 51. So the second graph is the correct one.